Hi, M6007. Please introduce yourself.
Hi sir, good afternoon. I'm Marlene Carlos Mica. I'm 35 years old. I'm single, no kid. I have one brother and three sisters.
Your religion.
Roman Catholic.
Highest educational attainment.
High school graduate sir.
Okay. Tell me about your experiences as a helper.
Saudi Arabia sir. I work in Saudi Arabia for 2 years finishing track. And Hong Kong 1 year and 4 months.
Okay. Tell me about your experience in Hong Kong.
I taking care of elderly, washing her cool clothes, and ironing, cleaning his house.
And you also car wash, right?
Yes, sir.
How many car?
One car.
Okay, and you are also have experience in Saudi. How about your experience in Saudi?
Assisting the elderly if he cook food for lunch or dinner. And washing clothes, cleaning the house.
Okay. Since I saw that you don't have any experience taking care of a newborn baby,
Yes,
my
sir.
question is, it is okay to you to take care of a newborn?
Yes, sir. I
Okay. Do you have idea how to prepare a milk for a newborn baby?
yes, sir.
Okay. If the baby is crying, what will you do?
I check his temperature and I give her food and I check his hair diaper.
Okay. And if the baby doesn't stop to cry after you did everything, what will you do?
I call my employer to inform the child was not not stop crying
Okay. Why do you want to work again in Hong Kong?
to save more money to support my family.
Okay. And how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
2 or 4 years if my employers
Want you to extend?
yes sir.
Okay. For sure, you have an idea how to prepare Chinese food, right? Do you have an idea? Because you are ex Hong Kong, right?
Yes sir, but the
Okay.
other helper
Is the one who cook.
yes.
So you don't have any idea. But it is okay to you to learn.
Yes sir, I'm willing to learn.
And how will you learn to cook?
I watch my employer while he cooking
Okay.
or download to YouTube.
Okay, so you will download on YouTube.
Yes sir.
So you know how to prepare. Okay. If your employer prepare foods that you are not familiar, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide.
Yes sir.
It is okay to you to share jobs as a helper.
Yes sir.
How about sharing room with kids?
Yes sir, it's okay.
It is okay to you to work on Sunday or in a holiday setup by your employer.
Yes sir.
How about taking care of pets?
Yes sir.
For sure, it is okay to you to take care of elderly, right?
Yes sir.
Okay. It is okay to you to learn Cantonese if one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English.
Yes sir, I'm ready.
Okay. My last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
My future employer, please choose me because I'm hardworking, trustworthy, respectful, and I follow your rules and regulation to your house. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. M6007. Thank you.